What?
You turn over the table.
You're afraid I'm gonna turn over the table? Like this me. Yes, my little heavy now, but does not give you rights for this me. So drinking Mila in the morning. The first time I'm trying Mila from Jamaican person, cause Errol never mix it for me. Let me try it now. So let me tell you.
Okay.
And this is my brown stew chicken with boiled food. My powerful breakfast. That will serve me till lunchtime, like easily. Sweet. Who eats baked beans for breakfast? Really?
Yeah.
People eat baked beans for breakfast? Alright. Yeah. Right through the clock. Alright. Enjoy. Errol stopped to buy sugar cane. Guys, please tell Errol to stop yam so much sugar cane because he's literally eating like 3 packs of sugar cane per day. Yeah. He's checking vegetarian food. No, Errol will never be a vegetarian. Me, I tell you, Errol cannot go even one day being a vegetarian.
You go rest of your month.
You can't go rest.
No milk.
I don't believe you.
Tomorrow morning wake up eat breakfast. The man said they open on Wednesday to Friday. I think Wednesday
Is that a vegetarian food or it's Ital food?
It's a vegetarian restaurant.
One time we tried Ital food.
Meal, vegetarian restaurant. We go try go rest of
put
your
not
month.
even local Maggi seasoning in other food. So what they have for breakfast? You're really going to?
They have broad bean, rundown, callaloo rice, boiled food.
In the morning you said like you're not get enough saltfish in your beans. So
saltfish and rasta food.
Saltfish. Man, I'm in a rasta.
I don't even know what saltfish considers.
Yeah, I'm in a rasta.
I don't know, but rasta I think they know. Man,
go on chat.
Man, burn up meat right
Go on chat. Cool down.
Alright, but remember, so we now can't rush it. We have to take it in phases. So we're going to cut out the meat, but slowly. So Wednesday to Sunday, rest of the concert. Fire upon your meat.
And you got no more fried chicken? You must be mad. And that's your meal number 1. Fried chicken, rice and
because
peas.
Because that's them everywhere in Jamaica.
And little
and the meal number 1.
Chopped vegetables on the side.
And the meal number 1 in Jamaica, everywhere you got chicken. Burn up meat and all stuff.
Go on chat.
So wait, that
one
can't
day.
Eat oxtail?
No, you can't eat oxtail. You have to eat shroom tail. Mushrooms them
no,
make
seriously,
somehow with oxtail seasoning. Shroom tail you go eat.
You can't more
Pork must be mad.
They go rough, but we can't eat less. They will end up fully consumed.
I can eat it for you in front of you.
But this sucking.
I'm pregnant. My baby needs vitamins. So
we got breakfast ready.
we try, but made a promise. We're gonna check mango tree. These are must.
And you come with 2 bags, brother. You can't eat 2 bags of mango, right?
Yeah.
You need only 1 bag of mango, not 2 bags of mango.
More better.
You say over there,
I can make. No man, I don't think so. You know, a lot of people have their own mango trees, so not like we, you know, we don't have no mango tree ready for us. We can't just come out and pick up our very own mango.
Yeah.
We don't have that luxury. But people who have mango tree, them not really cherish it like people who don't have it. So everything just waste. Like a lot of things. Yes, so here comes Swaggy. Gonna help you.
Fast moving, I don't want them come out from
Nah,
hold on.
waste.
You have the bag? No, you have t-shirt.
Yes, mango tree. There. Guys, look on the ground. Like. Why? Oh, you're gonna try raid the tree first? Oh. But I don't see any problem with mango from the ground. They're still good and they're well ready. Some can blend some smoothie, but I know last time most of them spoiled, but some of them feel solid. And you see, no, you can't tell me to pick up mango for the ground. Mango. Mango is a mango. But you're picking green ones. I'm picking the very yellow ones. Which are? No, in them not really. Tell me the truth. It's good? Yeah. Alright, then I will use the yellow ones for juice because it will be super sweet. Super duper sweet. Mango juice, mango smoothie, popsicle mango. Wow. Look at this. Mango jam. A lot of options. My blender will be working and working. This is a blender season. Yes. Let me put it in. Let me show you how we are putting. Let me nice market bag collecting some goodies. This one will put a dog here so nobody can enter.
That's right.
Oh, the different types.
Yeah,
oh, okay. I mean, did I think that's the black mango?
No, it's sweet.
Sweetie? Better.
Oh.
Oh, thank you. I said I'm small.
Green tomato.
Yeah. I'm picking up yellow. I still gotta pick yellow ones. Them. But look at this. Damn big. Come, give me a market bag. And this is look. Oh, they have jackfruit. But they have dog there. Yeah, they have a dog there in their somebody's yard. Look, is that a jackfruit? Yeah, a first time I'm seeing jackfruit on the tree. I'm afraid to come closer. Era, look how jackfruit grows. I've never seen before jackfruit. I need to friend the owner of this property. And they go all. Me afraid. I'm kinda shaking, you know. Afraid of the dog. There's dog. I heard the dog. The dog is somewhere. And them have. You hear that? Alright. We are okay for now. This one for show people why it costs because Earl said me now work proper. Leo lost his tooth number. I don't even know what number. 5th? Number 5? The upper one, but the first upper one, yeah? Теперь ты без зубы. You tell only it's okay. To go away. It's okay. It's okay. Just don't trouble it. Osh. It's not painful. Not painful. No. Okay. Okay. Osh. That's blood.
Yeah, put it on your tooth.
Big though?
Yeah, it's the front one.
Mm-hmm.
It's the front one. 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 It's the front one.
Front.
A dot sticks into my teeth.
It just
To your
sticks in your
gum.
gum. In your gum. And sticks up in there.
Something will hurt my teeth. And I do my tongue, it just hurt my teeth.
Yeah, because it's the space there.
Just leave it on.
Like a wound.
This?
Yeah. It's tender. So
Tomorrow
don't touch it,
we're gonna
yeah?
wake
Might
up
get
and-
infected, don't touch it.
Pain will go away.
It's my pain for you. Yeah?
So today is the 23rd of May, and that means it is a Labor Day in Jamaica. I know I might release that video after, but I'm just telling you. So this video was made on 23rd of May, and yep, today, I don't know if people celebrate like Labor Day, like celebrate, but my husband, he told me like people just clean their communities, right? Free day, right? There's not much to celebrate enough, but yeah, we celebrated free day. Kids are at home, and our community, they keep a little event to entertain people who live in the community. So it's going to be mostly game event, like table games, domino, what else? Ludi, what else? Yeah, man, dominoes, Ludi,
Other stuff,
dominoes.
other
I think
stuff,
about
okay.
food now because I'm hungry.
Yeah, food and security.
And I know Errol, he likes table games, so
Man doesn't do that.
I'm gonna make him play some.
I got the event.
Are you ready to win? We win. Oh no, they don't have money on it. Yeah, it's just win for win, just to feel good. Yeah, win for win. Alright, look, music play already. Carol is ready. Guys, I'm not sure if I'm gonna play. Honestly, I'm not sure if I'm going to play because I'm mainly babysitting kids. I like domino, I can play it. I cannot play Ludi, but I can play domino. But I'm not sure how it's gonna go for me because once Earl at the table, it is going to be very hard to take him off of the table. Yeah, you know how it goes. Jenny, what's that? Hey, you ready to play already? Who are you gonna play with? Hey Leo, are you ready? Are you ready, Leo?
Take seven.
Do you think Leo knows how to play it?
Let me tell you something. Yeah, you know how to play it.
Hey Danny.
You
Looks like they don't really have food here, so maybe
No, you said
I'll go on.
2 hour food people come.
1 or 2 hours. That's kind of stingy. I don't
Yeah, what's so long?
think I can manage. Like
Yeah, double
yeah.
6. You have it?
Okay, guys, so I gotta play. So what? Me for start?
Who have double 6?
Oh, who have double six? Double six.
Yes,
Wait.
6 and 6.
Wait, double six. Me not have no double six. No, me not have no double six.
Yeah, stop leaving now. I'm leaving on double 6.
But me have something double.
No, me have double
But I'm a six. Yeah, man, me have something double. Oh, you, Errol, you had double six?
Hello, me never record now. Just start now.
I don't have.
You don't have 6? So you know 6. Alright.
Yeah.
You play here.
Yes, so me are about to play with it.
You win then.
Yes, see there? I nearly gave away my victory to Leo. No, you see me?
Good
I
try.
won.
I'm hungry.
Hey.
This one.
So we had to leave because food wasn't there ready. And they said like next 2 hours, so maybe like it's dinner, And I never had lunch, so I came for lunch to the country store, and I'm having sweet and sour chicken, rice and peas, and curry gravy. Like, yeah, tell me some. And salad, yeah. So I'm gonna enjoy my meal. Then we're probably gonna come back. There's not really like one there right now. So, Hey Leo. Hey Danny. Alright, so we're all gonna play domino, and we are going to swim with the kids. I'll try to keep them occupied as long as I can, because I know Ara loves to play domino, and yeah, maybe Ludi he's gonna play, but I don't know. So we're going to swim. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Make sure you can manage. Danny's swimming improved still. And Leo is a pro right now. So a lot of people still came to play table games. Errol, one of them. Oh yeah. I feel like the rain is going to start soon. I told Errol I can manage them for 2 hours. Listen, okay? So just don't forget me, because you know how it goes. So I'm going to swim. Yeah guys, Labor Day mash up. Rain mash it up. Yeah, rain spoiled Labor Day, so we had to go back. Guys, look how rain heavy. We had planned to watch something, but look at so one moment, and the moment lasts forever. Like internet, internet gone? Yeah, because sometimes when it's raining hard, internet goes away. Yeah, light goes away. Alright guys, so the internet came back very shortly, like about after 15 minutes or so. So we are watching Netflix. Earl picked some Korean movie. I'm gonna really feel them now because too much violence in them, but Earl loves them. So we're gonna just have family time. Then I'm going to press uniform for tomorrow, because Leo, tomorrow is a school day. Are you ready for school? Danny, ready? Ready for school? Tomorrow's school? Do you have homework? Did you do your homework?
Yes. No.
All the homework done?
No.
How come? Go for the homework. Sounds like another stress. So right now I have to go through their books and check if they have done their homework. And if no, I'm gonna send them to their daddy, because after that video I got dissed up and I said to myself, I'm not gonna do it again. So that is it. So see you guys next time. Bye.